Hello everyone, welcome to another new video. In this video I will show you how to fix screen mode to turn on Moto G37. Let's start the video if you want to fix this problem. So first of all, restart device. Just click and hold side power button. Click on this restart icon. Again tap on this restart icon. You will see phone is restart. After restarting, enter phone pin. You will see your problem is solved. But if it doesn't fix this problem, so go to app library. Here click on settings app. Now in setting, scroll down to and click on system. If you want to fix this problem, click on reset option. Click on reset all settings. Enter phone pin. Click on this icon. You will see your problem is solved. But if it doesn't fix this problem, so last option is factory data reset. Click on settings app, scroll down and click on system and click on reset option. Click on factory reset. Click on erase all data, enter phone pin, click on this icon. You will see your problem is solved. So after the process, go back to home screen. So please subscribe for more new latest videos. Thanks for watching.